All right, everybody, from my pal Boardermartin. He's got a 2012 Elite Extra Edition hobby box purchased at Blowout Cards. www.blowoutcards.com. Actually, it's www. Well, I don't want you guys to miss a W because you could miss it, and then I'd feel ridiculous because it'd be my fault. All right, here we go. Good luck, buddy. Uh-oh, Corey Black at a 283. I believe that's a Yankee. Corey Black. He is a fourth rounder. Fourth round draft pick auto, Corey Black. Wow, nice. You got Lucas Giolito, insert. Tyrone Taylor. Spencer Edwards, he's a Ray. Spencer Edwards, I think 5th round, right? No, 2nd round, excuse me. Spencer Edwards, 2nd round draft pick for the Rays. That will show it to you eventually. There it is. On card auto. Matt Koch at a 795. Again, Yankees, I believe. 3rd round draft pick. So we've got a 2nd rounder, a 3rd rounder, and a 4th rounder. Now we need a 1st and 5th rounder, and you've got the 1 through 5 rainbow. Darren Ruff, Diamond Kings. Gavin Cecchini. Zunino. Rio Ruiz at a 200. 4th rounder. Rio Ruiz for the Astros. A little USA, Dom Nunez. Dom Nunez at a 299. Devin Marrero. Brian De La Rosa for the Braves out of 779. Brian De La Rosa. Hobby Milner, 191 out of 200, 7th round draft pick for the Phillies. My other left. You still got time. Still got time to hit something. Oh, this isn't bad. Devin Marrero at a 430. On card auto, Devin Marrero. Maybe. Or not. Yeah, he actually signed it blurry, apparently. It really pisses me off when this happens. Thank you. Devin Marrero. Carson Kelly for the Cardinals. 68 out of 100. Carson Kelly. Addison Russell. Chase DeJong for the Blue Jays, on-card auto out of 799. Chase DeJong. Last pack, buddy. Last pack mojo. And Kyle Zimmer on the mountain. Kyle Zimmer. Wow, wow, wow. But, you know what? I don't know if you were aware of this. I want to show this to you. You did hit an Almora. Huh? You asked, and there he is. That's got to mean something to somebody somewhere. All right, buddy, let's do a recap. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 autos. Not quite a hot box, pal. All right.